fire burns across the endless sky. I raise my hands and feel the world is mine. Take me down to where my stars are shining all around me like halogen. 1 million diamonds over the horizon. Every moment I believe in the light.
Happy birthday, Ate Miro! We love you!
Happy birthday, Miro!
In the light of love. Fit in my skin like vintage jeans, so perfectly worn. Awakening, unwritten dreams about to be born. My fire burns across the endless sky. I raise my hands and feel the world is mine. Take me down to where my stars are shining all around me like halogen. 1 million diamonds over the horizon. Every moment I believe in the light of love. 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 Set myself on fire, burning like a halogen. Set myself on fire, burning like a halogen. My fire burns across the endless sky. I raise my hands and feel the world is mine. In the light of love. 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 Love, love. In the light of love. In the light of love. In the light of love. In the light of
Hi, happy birthday. I hope you have a good one and I will see you soon. Bye.
Hola Ate Miro, happy birthday, enjoy your special day, and sana makita tayo ulit.
Happy birthday, Mirosel. Enjoy the party. Mag-aral mabuti. Makinig sa mga pangaral ni Mama Ming. At saka sana maging responsable kayo palagi para happy si Mama at saka si Dada. Belated happy birthday din kay Hana. Love you. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy 18th birthday, Miro. Apo, ang may papayo ko lang sa'yo ay mag-aral ka mabuti. Huwag munang mag-boyfriend. Huwag munang magang mag-asawa. Tapusin mo muna ang iyong pag-aaral. At magtrabaho muna para makatulong ka sa mga magulang mo at masuklihan mo ang paghihirap nila sa'yo. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Happy birthday muli. God bless.
2, 3. Hi Miro, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. See you soon.
Hi Miro, happy birthday. Sorry kasi hindi ako nakapunta ngayon. Alam mo naman na nasabi ko na sa'yo yung reason kung bakit. I hope maintindihan mo. Pero thank you for being a good friend to me. Sana hindi ka magbago, stay as you are, stay kind, and stay loving, caring. Thank you as always for listening to my problems and sa pag-intindi mo sa akin kapag may mga times na hindi tayo okay. Sorry sa mga yon. Hindi ko napapahabain pa, pero alam mo naman na mahal kita as a cousin, best friend, and hindi ko napapahabain pa, pero alam mo naman na mahal kita as a best friend and cousin. Stay safe and God bless always. I love you so much. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Girl! Ate Miro, Ate Mirosel, Ate Miwo, Ate Mirasol. So, first of all, sorry kasi hindi ako nakapunta sa birthday mo. Alam mo na kung bakit. Sobrang tagal na nating di nagkikita. Nami-miss ko na yung sayawan natin sa public, yung pagkanta natin ng mga ching-chong na songs, yung pag-attend natin sa concerts together, tsaka syempre yung araw-araw nating tawanan. Thank you for everything, Ate Girl. Ang dami kong natutunan sa'yo and you're one of the reasons kung bakit sobrang saya at kumpleto ng junior high school ko. Thank you kasi you didn't just treat me as your classmate but you also treated me as your sister. Thank you for everything, Ate. Thank you kasi you're always there for me kapag kailangan ko ng advice, kapag kailangan ko ng kausap, or kapag kailangan ko ng kasama. And I promise na kahit magkalayo tayo, I will still be the Lexi na nakilala at saka inalagaan mo. I hope to see you soon, Ate Girl. Stay safe and enjoy your day. Happy birthday! Love ya! Mwah!
Hello, Tol. Happiest birthday. Guess who? The joke. First of all, I thank God for having a bestie like you, for guiding you and keeping you safe. Masaya ako kasi nakikita kitang masaya. Ang dami mo na ring na-achieve in life and sana dumami pa to. 18 ka na ngayon, Tolski. Oh my gosh. Ang bilis ng panahon. Parang dati, nag-random play dance lang tayo sa school kapag walang klase. Anyway, sana manami pa tayong concert na mapuntahan in the future. Kung pwede sa Korea na tayo manood, diba? Libre mangarap. And I'm happy to see you grow, Tol. Kahit wala ako dyan to celebrate your birthday with you. Nasa Gedli lang talaga ako nagtatago. Hindi, charot. So, ayun na nga. Always remember that I got your back. I'll always support you. And don't stop doing the things that you love, ha? Laban lang sa buhay. Love you, Tol. I'll see you soon. Maybe next year or so. Basta I'll see you soon. I missed you and happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day. Mwah.
Hola, Miro. Feliz cumpleaños, nuestra princesa. On this day, your 18th birthday, I wish you happiness, lots of blessings, prosperity, and good fortune. Always stay humble and focus on what makes you happy. Nasa likuran mo lang kami. Hindi sa harapan, sa likuran. Have a fantastic day, my dear. I love you. I'm so proud of you, really. Mwah! Mwah! Happy birthday ulit!
Huli na ata ako. Balita ko may magbe-birthday daw ah. At syempre, special magbe-birthday. Sana hindi pa ako huli para bumati. Sa aking anak, happy birthday, Mirosel. It's your 18th birthday. Alam ko, special ang araw na ito sa'yo. At sana i-enjoy mo ang araw na to at gawing special together with your friends, families, mga ninongs, ninangs, at iba pang mga panauhin. Angat ko ang iyong sa iyong karawan ay good health, more success para sa studies, and Sana marating mo lahat ng iyong pinapangarap, conquer mo mga challenges sa buhay, and aim high to your dreams. Again, anak, happy birthday. I love you and I miss you so much.
18 years ago, at night of November 12, I was having contractions, and then the following day, November 13, I was entitled to be called a mother because you were born that day, anak. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana maging successful ka sa career na mapipili mo in the future. Andito lang kami para maabot mo yung dream mo na yon. Enjoy mo lang ang pagiging teenager, but be responsible sa lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo. And part talaga ng buhay ang pagsubok. So, once na malampasan mo naman yung mga yun is, magiging matibay ka naman. Happy 18th birthday ulit sa'yo, anak. I love you and see you soon. P.S. Belated happy birthday kay
Hello,
Hannah.
sweetheart, isn't it a sunny day? Time to throw your cares away and kiss me. Let's go climbing up into an apple tree, see what all the birdies see and hear them sing. When love's in the air, I put dandelions up in my hair, 'cause you make me feel like I am free. Boy, you are sweet like a honeybee. Hello, sweetheart, isn't it a lovely night? The moon is shining oh so bright above us.